Hello friends, this is Vikas. I'm here to discuss about Kanban today. Kanban is one of the most discussed agile methodology post Scrum. Before going more into discussion about how it is working as an agile methodology, let's understand the history of Kanban, from where the word is coming and what is the first use case. Kanban is a Japanese word which means signboard or billboard, and it started using for lean manufacturing and just-in-time manufacturing. Initially, it was used for tracking purpose for just-in-time inventory management. Later, it enhanced to work as full-fledged methodology and majorly adopted in manufacturing industry and in IT industry to manage workflow. Kanban is a methodology to manage and improve work across various systems. It aims to manage the work based upon balancing demand and available capacity. Work items are visualized to give participants a view of progress and process from start to finish, usually via a Kanban board. Work is pulled as the capacity permits, rather than work being pushed into the process when requested. We'll understand this concept in the next slide. Like I mentioned earlier, so here it's a typical system workflow. The requirement is generated and pushed to execution, and execution provides an output which is eventually a result. So in this case, you are seeing the, the requirement is pushed to execution. But there are certain challenges as well in this mechanism. In this case, it is always a challenge to deliver the task and quality may be compromised. Moreover, people may feel overburdened. This situation may lead to poor productivity. Let's take an example. If requirement is completed for 10 items, then 10 items may be in the queue for execution. But there may be case the execution team can have only 4 items at that point of time. It means they'll be having a pressure of 10 items, but they should be working on 4 items only. Eventually, it can be an impact, psychological impact basically, which may lead to the poor productivity. To overcome this, Kanban is there. In Kanban, you will see this is the Kanban board. And here, these are the different stages of the particular item or task. This item is team backlog, so every requirement is coming here. Here, it's the analyze stage, review stage, build, integrate and testing, and finally it is accepted. Here you are seeing two numbers. One is 2 and another 6. So analyze is further divided into two stages. One is in progress, another is ready. The number determine how many number of items can be at any given point of time. These are called work in progress items. So in progress item, there can be only two at this point at any given point of time, and in ready stage there may be 6 items. And you can see in review stage there may be 4 items at any given point of time. So in this Kanban board, we cannot push any next item to analyze phase until unless any of these items move to ready stage. Similarly, you can see we cannot push any item from review to build until there are two items. So here you will see the work in progress limit is 2 here. So only two items can be. Once one item will be moved to ready stage, after that only the item will be moved to build stage. So this is the basic philosophy and the mechanism to control the work. And any time, any more item cannot be pushed into analyze till any of two item in progress is moved to ready stage. So it helps in tracking the status of each and every item, and next item can be picked as per the priority, which can be determined by weighted shortest of first methodology. It helps in getting average work in progress at any given point of time in the particular life cycle of any item. So in practical scenario, this is the same board which you are seeing, just a one difference, you are seeing some horizontal bifurcation. In practical scenario, there can be three kinds of item. One is which require the immediate attention. One we have fixed date to delivery, another is standard. So in Kanban board, we can divide the board horizontally with the each type of item, and we know what is the work in progress limit for this stage. According to the priority, we can pick the next item which need the immediate attention, either the item which is fixed date. So we can look into that and accordingly we can prioritize. So this is the basic Kanban board which is used in this organization. The Kanban board can be further divided into horizontally as discussed. Kanban is best for particularly system teams, operations and maintenance teams. And Kanban is the methodology which is widely used in support items for the especially in IT industry. That's it for now. And if you need any help in implementation, feel free to mail me at vikas.avasti05@gmail.com, or you can connect me over LinkedIn. My LinkedIn address is given here. Thank you. Have a great day.